When it comes to power, durability, and American trucking heritage, one name stands tall: Peterbilt. Articulated lorry. From the legendary Peterbilt 389 to the cutting-edge 579, these trucks aren't just machines, they're a way of life for truckers. Built for strength, designed for comfort, and engineered for performance, Peterbilt trucks dominate the highways like no other. Dash symbols with powerful engines, top-notch aerodynamics, and driver-friendly interiors, Peterbilt has set the standard in the trucking industry. Whether you're a trucker, an enthusiast, or just love the roar of a big rig, Peterbilt is a name you can trust. What's your favorite Peterbilt model? Let us know in the comments. Articulated lorry. The Peterbilt truck is an absolute powerhouse, built with a high-performance engine and precision hydraulics. It doesn't just operate, it dominates. With advanced automatic features, you're not tied to every control. Instead, the truck intelligently adapts to the terrain and the task at hand, making every movement seamless, like having a skilled operator working in perfect sync with the machine. That heart-stopping moment when the truck starts sliding? It's a true test of power and control. Fortunately, no injuries, just a wild, adrenaline-pumping experience. This machine feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, packed with automation that takes care of almost everything. For a newcomer like me, that makes it incredibly easy to handle. What truly amazed me was its smooth yet powerful performance, even under extreme conditions. Whether tackling steep inclines or rough terrain, this truck handles it all with absolute ease. Its robust chassis and powerful engine make it the ultimate workhorse, built for the toughest jobs. If you're looking for strength, precision, and innovation in one machine, the Peterbilt truck delivers on all fronts. The massive truck groaned under the crushing weight of the heavy logs piled high on its trailer. Steam hissed from the engine, escaping like a final breath as the machine struggled to push forward. The tires dug into the ground, fighting against the overwhelming load. But it was too much. With one last wheeze, the truck came to a halt, completely exhausted, its journey at an end. For anyone in search of a powerful and efficient wood chipper, the Cheapo 810C stands out as a top contender. Its massive 780 GP engine, combined with an innovative feed system and dual chip modes, makes it highly versatile and exceptionally effective for any chipping task. Plus, the optional 4-axle truck mount enhances its mobility and convenience. Watching those enormous logging trucks and towering cranes in action is truly a sight to behold, a testament to human engineering and the immense effort required to harvest timber efficiently. Now, witness this beast of a truck as it fights its way up a steep, unforgiving red clay hill, hauling an enormous load of logs. The slick, sticky mud turns the climb into a true test of power and precision, challenging both the raw strength of the machine and the skill of the driver. With every tire rotation, chunks of clay go flying, a visual reminder of the intense battle between man, machine, and nature. I've seen the Fiat 619 tackle some pretty tough terrain, and it never disappoints, whether it's climbing steep hills or navigating muddy tracks. This truck can handle it all. This truck is like a titan in the world of logging, with its rugged chassis and an engine designed to generate immense torque. It conquers even the steepest slopes without breaking a sweat. The Caterpillar 320 CLL is a powerhouse in forestry operations, with its Cat 366T diesel engine delivering 143 GP. This machine is built for tough tasks. The purpose-built 36 all-live heel front and heavy-duty undercarriage optimized log loading and shovel logging, making it a top choice for demanding environments. Its durability and efficiency set it apart from the competition. The Caterpillar 320 CLL is a powerhouse in forestry operations, with its Cat 366T diesel engine delivering 143 GP. This machine is built for tough tasks. The purpose-built 36 all-live heel front and heavy-duty undercarriage optimized log loading and shovel logging, making it a top choice for demanding environments. Its durability and efficiency set it apart from the competition. Ever seen a machine turn logs into firewood with such effortless power? The Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processor with its 125 GP electric engine is the epitome of efficiency. It doesn't just cut wood, it dominates it. This is the kind of heavy-duty machinery that takes your firewood operation to the next level, combining raw power with seamless automation. Come, The heavily loaded truck groaned under the immense weight of the stacked logs, each one pressing down like a mountain on its frame. As it pushed forward, the wheels spun desperately, kicking up mud and gravel. The engine roared, straining against the impossible load, but the road ahead was unforgiving. Then, with a sudden jolt, the truck came to a dead stop, stuck. The sheer weight of the logs had overpowered its strength, sinking its tires deep into the soft earth. Steam hissed from the engine, and for a moment, everything stood still. The beast had fought hard, but the burden was simply too much.